Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nurul Eza binti Albani Ali, matrix number 64109. I would like to present my research paper with title E-Learning for Computer Science Courses during COVID-19. Basically, the education fields were also affected by the pandemic COVID-19. E-learning is the best way to prevent the virus from the physical contact. However, the lack of the network connection can be difficult for teaching and learning using the e-learning platform. This study has discussed method and problem e-learning computer science courses during the pandemic COVID-19. For the problem statement, the pandemic of COVID-19, which began in China in December 2019, is a tragic disaster that has spread rapidly throughout the world. The virus can spread by the physical contact, so for avoid it, many universities worldwide have moved to the emergency remote teaching (ERT) via online platforms, further inducing the anxiety among the students. Then, to prevent the disease, the government announces that not allowed to gather in one place based on the 1 meter social distancing. A system of learning based on acknowledges the role, but with the help of an electronic resources base is known as e-learning. Online learning has grown rapidly in the last decade. The e-learning is mostly associated with the activities involving computers and interactive networks stimulously. They have two research questions in this study. First, how e-learning computer science during COVID-19, and the second one is what the major problem of the e-learning during the COVID-19. Due to the pandemic, especially when all educational activities are delayed, online and web-based learning platforms were becoming increasingly trendy. It can be a learning paradigm in the educational institution to enhance the students' knowledge and skills through the technologies. In response to the MCO, higher education institutions across the nation must be revoked in the Next, for the research question 2, what the major problem of e-learning during the COVID-19? So during the e-learning, the surrounding of the students also can give the problem for learning process. Faculty members have appropriately dropped and the speed of their speech to drag their attention, allow them to note down the key points from the lecturers and to jot down the necessary information from the board into an audio-visual lecture. Then, the objective of this study is, the purpose of this paper is to review, analyze, and classify the existing work that is related to the e-learning computer science courses during a pandemic. This review investigates research trends and identify similar themes, frameworks, and samples for research. Besides that, to identify the importance of the e-learning platform. Last but not least, the government announced that we need to follow the Standard Operation Procedure (SOP), implemented social distancing and scan temperature before entering the premises such as the shops, office, schools, and many other places. Therefore, the educational institutions have been confronted with the dilemma of either postponing classes indefinitely or relying the emergency measures by moving their courses online and adapting to the new reality of distant learning. The online learning attempts to provide the flexibility to study ubiquitously for both the instructors and the learners. Lastly, the methodology. This study is based on the primary research The research has been searched in the Google Scholar. That's all for me. Thank you.